Hi dear Leos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. I welcome you all on my channel and thank you so much guys for tuning in first of all. And this is a journal love reading for all the Leo singles, and this might or might not resonate with you. Keep this in mind please. And this is a reading till the end of the June. Okay. So guys, one more information. I have just started my Hindi channel Anjali ke Vlogs. I will put the link on in the description box. Please subscribe to that channel as well, and you will know more about me, my life and my journey. So let's start with your reading, Leos. Okay, so your past energy regarding your love life was, let's see, your past energy regarding your love life was I don't know why I'm feeling like singing this song again and again. Let's see, Leos, your past energy regarding your love life was Four of Pentacles. So I feel like you were holding back. You were very possessive about someone. You were very obsessive about someone. You were trying not to release them. You were, in the state of mind. I will not let this person go anywhere. I will love them till eternity. This person is my life, and this they are not going anywhere because I love them. You were being totally control freak. So it's like you were trying to control your emotions, you were trying to hold your emotions, but deep down you were very possessive and obsessive about about this particular person, and that's why might be they ran away, because they felt like you're too controlling. Might be. Let's clarify further. Don't lie to me, Leo. I am a Leo rising. I'm a Leo moon as well. I can feel it. I also do this sometimes, but this is not my case actually. But yeah, sometimes I do like that. This is human nature. Let's clarify. Eight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. Sorry. So I feel like you tried your best. You put in the effort, you put in the energy, you put in the money, you invested time, you invested energy, you invested your everything, fucking everything in this connection, and you felt like there should be reconciliation. You were waiting for reconciliation with this particular person from a very long time, and you're still waiting. So I feel like you waited might be for 100 years for this person to come back to you and have a reconciliation with you, because you were very obsessive, very possessive about them. You tried your best to control your emotion. You tried your best to hold them with you. You tried your best to make them stick to you, but they ran away. But there was something that made them, uh, to break up with you. Something was there that made them, to run away or to walk away from this connection. And I feel like you were trying your best to have reconciliation with this particular person, because you felt like this person is the love of your life, and you waited. So this was the waiting game was on in the past. This is the situation with you. Okay, Leos? Yeah. Yeah. So Leos, let's see what's your current energy regarding your love life. Your current energy right now is, Leos, your current energy right now is, let's see what's your current energy. Five of Wands. Okay, you are internally conflicted. Leos, you are deeply conflicted. If you're not fighting with somebody, face to face or on phone or somebody, something like on a call or something, you are deeply right now. You're deeply conflicted from within. This is the situation. You're fighting with yourself. You're fighting with everybody. You are offensive. You are defensive, and it's like. You're not ready to compromise with anybody, and you are making everybody feel like you are the king or you are the queen and nobody else matters. This is the situation. Might be this is a physical fight with somebody for some of you, for very, for only 1 to 2% of you guys, but for others of you I feel like there's internal conflict going on. There's internal fight going on within you. Why? Let's see. Let's clarify the Five of Wands in your current energy. Let's see. The Page of Wands, the Ace of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. So I feel like you want to connect with this person, Leos. You want to connect with this person. You want to have a brand new beginning with this particular person. Don't lie to me. Don't say, no, I'm not feeling like this. Yes, you are. Yes, you are feeling like this. You want to communicate with this person because you still hold passion for this particular person. Although this passion is not as much as it was in the past, but still you are holding passion for this particular person. Might be this is newfound passion. Might be you're feeling like, wow, I still feel for this particular Leo. Feel for this particular person. Okay, this is the situation. feel for the particular person from the past. Yeah. And you are ready to have a brand new beginning in this connection. You want to start this connection all over again. You want to have a brand new beginning. You want to start this connection with scratch. I mean from scratch. I'm always confused between with scratch or from scratch. Now it's like you got me right. And you are trying to hold back. You are trying to show to them that I don't give a fuck whether you are with me or not. But this is not the situation. You are fighting with them because you love them. This is the situation here, Leo. So you are fighting with this particular person because you are passionate about them. You want to have a brand new beginning with them, but you're showing them but you're showing them that you don't give a fuck, and you're ready. You are happy without them. You're concealing. You're hiding your feelings. You are cutting them out. You are very blunt. So you are very bluntly telling them, I don't give a fuck. I don't need you in my life. Who the hell are you? This is the situation. But from within, you are dying to have a brand new connection with them, to have a brand new start with them. Okay, and for some of you, I feel like this is physical connection that you are dying for, that you are craving for right now. For some of you, this is also possible that you are very, very physically attracted to this person. You guys had a very, very good sexual chemistry in the past, and now you want that back. Oops. Yeah. For some of you, it is also possible. Take it how it resonates with you. Okay. Let's see what this past person feels for you, Leo. Let's see what this past person feels for you. Let's see. Ooh. Ace of Cups. Okay. So I feel like this person is also developing new love feelings for you, new feelings for you. Okay. This is the Ace of Cups energy. So this particular person, it could also be possible that they are having a new love affair in their life. For some of you, and for others of you, I feel like this person is feeling. So basically, I'm asking the cards that what this person is feeling for you. So I feel like this is for only this is only for you. This is only what they are feeling for you right now. Ace of Cups is a brand new energy of love. They are feeling lots of love, lots of overwhelming emotions. They're not able to control their emotions right now. So this could be negative emotions as well, but this could be positive emotions as well, because the Ace of Cups is overwhelming emotions, not able to control their emotions. Okay, this is the situation, overflowing emotions. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. So I feel like this person wants to start this friendship thing again with you. This is the situation here. This is what they are feeling right now, that I should just start my friendship with Leo again. Overwhelming emotions, like, let's see, the Devil. Oops, the Five of Pentacles and the Chariot. Okay, okay, I feel like this person is feeling overwhelming emotions for you, and the story behind this overwhelming relationship, overwhelming feelings, is because this person is feeling tied down. This person is feeling like somebody is obsessive, somebody is very, very possessive, somebody is making them making them feel like they are in some kind of chains and they are in some kind of jail. They want to walk away from them. They are feeling like somebody backstabbed them, somebody left them in the cold, somebody did very wrong with them. Okay, or this could also be third party situation for some of the Leos, and I feel like yeah. So I feel like your partner right now is dealing with a situation where they were in a third party situation and the third party left them in the cold, left them hanging in the cold, and now they are trying to move on from the third party. They are just trying to move on from somebody, Leos. I feel like they are feeling like no, the third party is not better than the Leo. Why I left my Leo? Leo was much better. This is the situation, and that's why they are carrying lots of overwhelming emotions for you right now. Let's see whether they are going to tell you this or not, but I feel like right now this person is going through hell in their life, going through some kind of negativity or toxicity in their life, and they're feeling like that somebody left them hanging on the wall, somebody left them, somebody betrayed them, and they're just trying to move on from that situation. They are very determined that they are going to move on from that somebody, because after getting the lesson, after karma gave them the lesson, now they are feeling love for you again. Now they are feeling emotions for you again. Bastard, such a bastard or bitch they are. Oops, I'm really sorry for abusing, but I feel like these type of people don't deserve love. If this is the situation, I'm not. I'm just simply against that person. Why? Okay, calm down. I should calm down, right? Yeah. Let's see what's your energy for new love, or somebody new is coming to you, or if you're dating somebody, what's their feelings. Let's see what your feelings for somebody new, or if you are still stuck on the past person. Let's see. Leos. Six of Pentacles. So I feel like right now you are in this zone, Leo, where you are like, I am going to connect with only those person who is ready to put in equal effort from their side as well, equal energy from their side as well. I'm not going to, just settle down for somebody just like that. Okay, so you are just ready for those people around you. You are ready for those relationships around you who are ready for equal give and take. This is the energy here. You are not going to be, you are not going to run behind somebody. You are not desperate for somebody. And right now you are in this energy. This is for singles only, if you forgot. Right now you are in this energy. I'm going to give my energy, give my love, give my efforts to that person only who is ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side as well. I'm not going to run behind any asshole. This is your situation. Let's clarify. Oops. 10 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles. I feel like because you are feeling like this because you are feeling some kind of burden on your shoulders. You are feeling like this. The past was burden for me. Okay, the past relationship was a big burden for me. I want to come out of this overwhelming situation. I want to start my own life again. I want to start my life all over again and love my life, and I have to stand my ground. This is the situation here. I'm going to stand my ground no matter what the other person or what the fuck the world thinks about me. I'm just going to stand my ground, and I want to come out of this confusing situation. I don't want confusion in my life. I don't want any kind of conflict in my life. I don't want to juggle between two people or two situations. And I will give my love, give my energy to those only who are ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side as well. Yeah. Yay! This is situation. This is the situation regarding new love. This is your situation regarding the new love. Yeah. Let's see, Leos, what to expect. What is coming? What to expect from the universe? What the universe is sending to you till the end of June? What's coming towards you till the end of June? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Ace of Swords, a brand new beginning in your life, a successful, a victorious beginning in your life is coming towards you. Ace of Swords. You are going to feel victorious. You are going to feel successful after a long period of conflict and sadness and depression. You are finally going to feel victorious. Victory is coming towards you. Success is coming towards you. It might be financial success. It might be, personal success. Let's clarify. But yes, there is some kind of victory. There is some kind of success. There is some kind of, blunt and open and honest conversation coming in towards you, because I feel like you're going to cut out all the toxicity. You are going to, cut out all the negativity, and you are just being yourself, being honest with yourself. Nice. I appreciate that. I will do the same. Wheel of Fortune, Three of Swords, and the Tower. Yeah, okay. So you are leaving everything on the universe now because you're deeply, deeply, deeply heartbroken by something that broke up. I mean, after this breakup thing, after this person walked away, after this person and you were having a lot of fights between each other, you learned your lesson. Okay, and now the tables are turning in your favor, Leo. Now the universe is listening to you. Now the universe is sending you a brand new life with hopes and positivity and victory and success. Beautiful energy, Leos. Congratulations to you guys. So I feel like you are going to be single. You are not going to mingle, but yes, you are going to be really happy and successful. This is the situation because universe. I feel like you guys were having some kind of karmic relationship with somebody, and now you have learned your lessons. Now you are moving forward with a beautiful energy, and the universe is helping you, guiding you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.